What it do, Bowtie Gang? Back with another video. This is the video of me giving you the breakdown from the beginning of the reconstruction all the way to the end, to where we get to stealth. Now what we're showcasing here is me breaking down the whole front, I guess you would call it front end, from the grill, the bumper, changing everything over, brand new. I'll be spraying Rust-Oleum over these rusty parts. Bumper has been removed. That's the old bumper that you're looking at. Also, spray the Rust-Oleum over there on the parts, because you know that was my first thing, because I had everything. I was just waiting to put everything on, but later on I found out that I could have replaced the majority of these parts. But once I got that bumper on there, which was a difficult task because it was hit on the passenger side, so some things didn't fit or align the way it would if it was just like straight on, just a straight exchange. But I made it fit, and once I made it fit, it was stuck, and that was it. I wasn't changing anything. So what y'all see now is me showing you the Rust-Oleum spray that I sprayed on there. It was like a plastic dip, I believe. I don't know exactly what it is, but when I find it, I'll let you know. I sprayed over it. It was like, gave it maybe a coat or two, but that was it. These are the headlight pins. I sprayed that. I was like, I'm not gonna replace them. You know what I mean? When I first started off, it was like more so trying to just keep what I had that wasn't broken, and you know, maybe down the line, if I decide I want to do something different, then I go and replace it. Right now, it was just to get it out of that white. I didn't want it to be white no more. So once I started changing, it was like, if it ain't broke, then I ain't trying to fix it. So this is me putting the bumper on, the lower valance and the bumper on. And I found out that I left all the grommets on the old bumper. So I had to go online, order some more grommets for my pins to fit in there flush. So this is what I'm showing you, how it looked with, you know, without it being fitted, but just being on there. So in the next couple slides, you will see how it looks once I got the grommets on there and then they were fitted. Because you're going to see of course, you're going to see the gaps close. But my advice is, if you're doing this type of work on your vehicle, if you have one of these Suburbans, pickups, Silverados, whatever, I suggest you take the whole bumper off and then put that lower valance on there from that perspective, because it's going to be hard to get those pins in once you get that up under the car. Because it's like the toe, that little toe hook, it's a bracket that go all the way across. And it's kind of hard to get in there to fasten those pieces right in that area. Like in the small little corners, it was easier on the outside to get in. But yeah, it was a difficult task. But we got it done. I had to use some vice grips too, just to get it that full little snap, because you know that's how it is. So I got everything put on, closed the hood, got the grill on. I was ecstatic because, you know, I did it. You know, this is built, not bought. So this was just the beginning process of me changing things, other than what I usually do as far as like custom lights and, you know, add-ons of that nature, and radios and stereos and all of that stuff. So at this point, the photo that you're seeing now, you see that big gap. That's because I broke the hood latch. My battery died, and I couldn't get in the car. So I had to open the hood latch with the with a flathead, and I knocked the pins all the way out the way. So that was, yeah, I had to replace it. That's just the bottom line of that. And then since I was changing the hood, I like might as well replace it. But the fog lights in, fog lights working. Those are halogen lights. So I'm gonna change those to the icy blue, which is I think they're like 6,000K LED lights. Also, I found those on Amazon too. Really great lights too. I mean, it shine. Like I can really drive with those fog lights without it. The headlights on. These are the license plate lights, LED lights that I changed out. They come with like it's like a red little light, like a little brake light on there too, which is kind of dope. I mean, it really shines too. It was needed for the theme that I'm going with the stealth. But that whole lift gate, I'm about to change that. So this is what it looked like with the headlights on. And those halogen fog lights, which I'm going to change those. That's the lift gate that I changed, that I end up getting. It's off of Yukon XL. Same fitment and everything. I just had to rewire the whole thing. And that's the hood that I'm putting on there too, the OEM. So this would it look with the grill on, the bumper on, the blue fog lights, which is the icy blue. New hood latch, of course, because I'm about to put a new hood on. So don't want nothing that's rusty on there. Those are LED running lights. There you go with the icy blue. There you go. Now you're starting to see the vision of went from snowflake to stealthy. We're on our way. We're getting closer and closer to where we envision. She got white ears right now. So everything's on there, the grill, the bumper, the fog lights, and the hood. Put the lift gate on there. I had to rewire that whole setup. That was a task too. I had to bypass a lot of things. That's some of the damage that was done when I first had bought the truck. That's as far as she done came so far. Yep. Then I have a LED bow tie that I got on that I'm about to put on there too, which is right here. So this is where we at. So like, share, subscribe this video.